So a few months back, we started to piece together our next big trip. There were a few places around the world that we considered visiting, but the location was final. Paris and London would be the points of interest during the next spring break. We decided it had to be a trip that we could never forget, and that's what we did. This is the Europe story. Our trip started with a car ride to New York. We spent the day enjoying the many things the city has to offer. At last we had arrived in Paris. Right away you could see the elegance of the city and how different it is from America.
So we're out here in Paris. Okay, right now we're going to the Louvre. It's like a pyramid, and so right now we're going there.
They're calling out my name from inside the room. I can look tough, but I don't think they'll notice. The girl in the train look kinda cute, and I don't know what to say. Open all my doors, but it is hard to face the truth. So
When we found out Notre Dame had caught fire, we were all sad to hear it.
I always do when I'm with you.
Our spirits were lifted when we were told that there had been many donations and it was to be rebuilt in future years. Our next stop was the Eiffel Tower. Here I met up with my friend Paige from school, who had also come to Paris.
I can only be me, but when I'm with you, I can only be me.
So, and right now we're on the way to the Eiffel Tower to see the lights, like the super pretty glittering and stuff. Alright, what's up guys? Today is day number 2. We're out here. Actually, right now we're just on the streets of Paris. We're going back to our Airbnb. Today, what did we do? We went to the D'Orsay, which was super pretty. We got a bunch of cool shots, which is where the Vincent van Gogh painting is, and so that was super pretty. We had a nice time. And then after that, we went over to the Eiffel Tower during the day. We went to the Eiffel Tower during the day, and then after that we went to dinner, and then we went back to the Eiffel Tower for nighttime, and that was super pretty. And I'm just really glad that we're out here in Paris. It's been super nice.
If you ever go to Paris, you must take a boat tour. From the boat, we saw beautiful architecture that surrounds the Seine River.
in the middle of the street to do a backflip like right in this area. So hopefully he doesn't get by a car, and it's right in front of the Arc de Triomphe, and that's that. So it's gonna look really cool. Okay, so we just took the shuttle, a high-speed train from Paris to London, and it went about 290 kilometers per hour, which is a crazy speed. Like, I couldn't even comprehend how fast we were going. It was really fast. But now we're in the station,